This is your Creator Camp roll call.
Hi, it's Ian Gray.
My name is Daniel Chi.
My name is Dinah Gladdy.
Adrian Salisbury here.
My name is Anna here.
And I'm Fulgence.
Jillian here.
Jeff C. here.
I'm Laura Clapp Davidson.
Mr. Cameron Junkie.
I'm Stephanie Garcia.
Hey, Ken and Glen here.
Are you ready to go to camp? Creator Camp. We've even got camp counselors. I'm one of them.
I am a counselor at Creator Camp.
I'm going to be a camp counselor at Creator Camp.
And I am so pumped to be one of your camp counselors at Ecamm Creator Camp.
One of your camp counselors for Ecamm's Creator Camp 2023.
There's going to be so many fun camp activities.
This October, the inaugural Ecamm Creator Camp.
I can't begin to tell you how excited I am. It is going to be 3 fantastic days.
And I am just super pumped to hang out with you, to meet you.
So I'll be there along with all the big Ecamm heavy hitters.
I can't wait to meet you guys in person.
And I'm super excited to be one of your workshop leaders at Creator Camp in October.
And I'm happy to announce that I'll be one of the many workshop leaders for Ecamm's Creator Camp.
I'm thrilled to be one of the workshop leaders at Ecamm's Creator Camp event.
And I am going to be a workshop leader at the Ecamm Creator Camp.
So it's going to be a ton of fun.
I hope you're one of the people that I'm going to get to see and meet for the very first time.
So I will see you all at Creator Camp.
I am so excited to see you this October. It's going to be so much fun.
Can't wait to meet you there.
We cannot wait to see you at Creators Camp.
I could not be more excited, so I can't wait to check it out and be there with all of you.
I can't wait to learn and share with so many amazing creators just like yourself.
And I can't wait to see you at Creator Camp.
I can't wait to meet all of you amazing creators at this incredible event.
I am most excited about spending time with all of you.
I will see you at Creator Camp.
We can't wait to see you at Creator Camp.
And I'll see you there.
I can't wait to see all of you guys. Make sure you are coming to Creator Camp and come and hang out with us and the whole Ecamm fam.
It's going down, y'all.
Are you ready?
Can't wait to see you there.
Let's go.
I'll see you there.
We will see you then.
I will see you there.
I can't wait to meet you there.
It's going to be amazing.
I truly hope to see you at camp.
I can't wait to see you there.
And I'll see you at Creator Camp.
See you at Creator Camp.
Are we going to have matching shirts?
See you then.
See you soon.
We should get matching shirts.
Let's go. I'll see you soon.
Aloha.